Good morning, children. Let's move on to the lesson Fixing Words Articles. Till now, we have read the use of a or an, and today we will read the use of the. Okay, let's start. Before telling you about the use of the, I want to read some sentences. Let's read it. Read the following sentences. I bought a bicycle yesterday. The bicycle is of blue color. You can see that here in the first sentence, the same word bicycle is given, which is given in the second sentence also. But in the first sentence, a is used before bicycle, and in the second sentence, the is used. Why don't here we can use a in the second and the in the in the first? Why? Because when we use some word first time, we don't know about which bicycle we are talking. I bought a bicycle yesterday means I bought any bicycle yesterday. The bicycle is of blue color, but now we know that about which bicycle we are talking. We are talking about the same bicycle which is in the first line. That's why we will use the second time. Okay, children, let's see more sentences. We went to a restaurant yesterday. We went to a restaurant yesterday, and the restaurant is famous for Chinese food. Again, the same type of sentence. When we will use first time, we will use a with restaurant, but in the second time, the, because in second line we are talking about the same restaurant, and now we know that about which restaurant we are talking. Okay, children, I have explained the use of a or an in my previous video. If you have seen that video, that is okay, but if you have left, you can subscribe my channel and go through that video. It will be helpful to you. Now let's move on. The third sentence is, my grandma narrated me a story. Means my grandma narrated me, told me any story, and the story was about a prince and a giant. The story means the same story. That's why here we will use the before story. The story was about a prince and a giant. You can see that first time we use a and the second time the with the same word. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The Nile is the name of a river. So we will use the before Nile. Longest is superlative degree. That's why we will use the here. The longest, the biggest, the best. And world is only one. So we will use the here. The world. Ancient people believed that the moon was made of cheese. Moon is also only one. It is unique. That's why we will use the here. Okay, children. Now you have seen all the examples of using the. Now let's see some rules. We have learnt in the previous video that where we have to use a or an. Now let's see the use of the. The is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Okay, children? When we will talk about particular person, means like the teacher who teaches us English. Here we are talking about only that teacher who teaches us English. That's why we will use the, not a. The teacher here is a particular teacher who teaches us English, and that's why we have used the here. Sometimes when we talk about something for the first time, we use a or an. When we talk about it again, we use the. We have seen 2-3 sentences regarding this rule in our ever pages. You can see or go through it like this. We went to a restaurant. The restaurant is famous for Chinese food. These sentences are according to this rule. One more sentence we'll see. Seema has a glitter pen. Here glitter pen is unknown to us. That's why the glitter pen shines in the dark. And here we are talking about the same glitter pen. That's why in the second sentence we will use the. The is also used with the special names of buildings, rivers, mountains, holy books, newspaper, etc. which you have seen above. The Nile. Nile was the name of river. For example, we can take the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Ganga, the Kaveri, the Himalayas, the Nilgiris. Nilgiris is the mountain range. The Gita, the Quran, the Times of India, the Hindu, etc. The is also used with sun, moon, earth and sky because these are only one. These are unique things. That's why we will use the before it. Okay. Now let's do some worksheets. I enjoyed a new movie very much because here it is about any new movie. I enjoyed a new movie very much. We went to the forest near Bhopal because here it is talking about the forest, a special forest which is near Bhopal. That's why we will use the here. Nishu read an interesting story yesterday. Prashant is one of the best students of the class. I have discussed above that before superlative degree we will use the. Prashant is one of the best students. Rohan gifted his sister an umbrella on her birthday. My niece has a puppet and second time we will use the with puppet. The puppet dances with she when she touches it. The teacher told us that history is an important subject. The Nehru Planetarium, because Nehru Planetarium is the name of a planetarium which is only one. The Nehru Planetarium is a great source of knowledge. Why here? Because there are many great sources and it is one of them. That's why a great source of knowledge. Last evening, I happened to see an elephant, and again in the second sentence, when we are using the same elephant here, the elephant had huge ears. Would you like to eat an apple or a banana? Binay has an uncle who is a scientist. The wedding ceremony of my brother went off nicely. Why the wedding ceremony? Because this is the special wedding ceremony of my brother only, not of anyone. The wedding ceremony of my brother went off nicely. Here we have used the. Why we have used the before wedding ceremony? Because it is a particular word, wedding ceremony. It is talking about someone special's wedding ceremony, not any wedding ceremony. That's why we have used the here. Now do it yourself. Take the correct option. Let's do it. Karan went to a zoo. Z is consonant and we have read the use of A or N before this video. Karan went to a zoo last weekend. It was hot, so he took. The is wrong here. It was hot, so he took an umbrella along. Because we are using umbrella word first time in this passage, he purchased a ticket and went inside the zoo. Because zoo we are using second time, first time here is zoo. and that's why we will use the with zoo. The first animal, first is ordinal number, and with first, second, next we will use the. The first animal he saw was an elephant. E is vowel, that's why we will use an. It was huge and was holding a sugar cane in its trunk. In the next cage, we'll use the before next. Was a gorilla enjoying some bananas to beat the scorching heat. Heat is uncountable noun, that's why we will use the. To beat the scorching heat, Karan thought of buying an ice cream. He went to an ice cream vendor and asked for an orange candy. O is vowel, that's why we will use an. He took out a 10 rupee note from his pocket. You can see here. And paid for the ice cream, because we have used ice cream earlier also, that's why the second time. He went on to see more animals. He saw a lion, a pair of tigers, and even a giraffe. He enjoyed the day thoroughly, because it is talking about the special day which he enjoyed by visiting the zoo, and reached back home late in the evening. Before evening, afternoon and morning, we will use the. Okay children, this worksheet has been done. Now the second one, you have to fill here appropriate articles, the elephant's teeth. Let's see what is in this. Once upon a time, in the forest near Allahabad, there lived a mouse. It was hungry and happened to find a small nut. But the mouse, why the before mouse? Because second time we are using. The mouse was unable to eat or bite the nut, as it was too hard to cut into two. The mouse was sad and prayed to God, "Oh God, what plight I am faced with. My teeth are so small that I cannot even have the food." Food, we will never use a before food, because food is uncountable. The food I got immediately. God replied back to the mouse, "My dear mouse, I made you as I made other animals, and I love you. Go and see the teeth of other animals." Why the before teeth? Because teeth is plural word and we will use a only before singular word. I will give you whichever kind of teeth you like. So the mouse set out looking at the teeth of many animals, but it did not like any. Finally, it saw an elephant and was amazed at the elephant's long white tusk. We call tusk for elephant's teeth. Okay? Elephant's long teeth are called tusk. The little mouse asked the elephant whether it liked its long teeth. The elephant replied, "My friend, these tusks which you see are just for show. I cannot use them to chew the food as you can. Besides, I have to bear the weight of the teeth at all the time." Hearing this, the mouse thanked God for giving him the teeth he had. Okay children, here your lesson is ended, and now hope you understood the use of a, an or the, and now you will be able to use these letters, these words in sentences. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Okay children, thank you.